liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen to. Hey y'all, what is up? It is your girl Michaela Lene, and I am back with another video. And today is gonna be another wash day routine. So it's going to be featuring new products. They're new to me, but some of y'all may have used these products, and if so, please make sure you comment down below. Also, make sure you are following me on my social medias, which is TikTok and Instagram at Lene Carroll. And also, if you're not subscribed to the family, I don't know what you are doing, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we're about to get right into this video. So the first product that I will be reviewing is the Dove Argan Oil and Damage Repair Shampoo. It is a nourishing shampoo infused with argan and coconut oil that visibly repairs damaged strands and leaves hair supremely soft. It has a calming scent, is naturally derived, and most importantly, it has no parabens. Again, the Dove Argan Oil and Damage Repair Shampoo is infused with argan, coconut, and marula oils to visibly repair damaged hair and nourish it from within. This hair repair shampoo progressively cares for damaged and dry hair at the deepest level with continuous use. It is formulated with an oil blend with argan, coconut, and marula oils. This hair strengthening shampoo helps to visibly repair damage while deeply nourishing your hair from within. The Dove Argan Oil Damage Repair System leaves hair soft and manageable without feeling weighed down. Especially when you have your hair is color treated. Keep in mind, it's going to make your hair just naturally dry, but I really did like it. And most importantly, for the price, I got this at Target for $3.99. So the next product that I use is the Dove Crown Collection Hydration Restore Conditioner. The Dove Crown Collection Hydration Restore Conditioner helps to nourish and hydrate curly hair and coily hair. So it's a Dove Hydration and Restores Conditioner for curly hair, especially formulated to give you deep nourishment and curl hydration. Works in the system to deliver holistic hair care, infused with plant-based squalane and coconut oil, is made without paraben or dyes, is globally, Dove does not test on animals, and it is PETA approved. Soft curly hair is only one step away with Dove Crown Collection Hydration Restore Conditioner. This conditioner works as part of a system to deliver holistic hair care for curls and coil that goes beyond repairing your hair fiber. It addresses both the visible signs and the root cause of damage, preventing breakage from detangling and styling so you can bring out the best of your hair's natural textures. Using that conditioner, it made my hair feel so soft. Oh my gosh. If you really want to get this product, you can go to Walmart, and the price for Walmart is $6.98. Yeah, but that's you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude. So I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate. I'm so spoiled, so I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place, but you the one who came home late. I liked you better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should have been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you. Always say I gotta act. I will be now introducing the 10-in-1 Bond Strength Serum Mask by Dove, and it is a 1-minute 10 transformative benefits. Wave goodbye to chemical damage with our serum mask for dry damaged hair. Like, y'all, this mask, oh my goodness. So a little bit more about this mask. It is a 10-in-1 Bond Strength Serum Mask with visible signs of extreme damage. And it smells so good, y'all. Like, it has a good smell. Again, 10 transformative benefits for ultra smooth, shiny hair. It's a game-changing formula of painted bioprotein care. I'm also be going in with my JOS Growth Complex Miracle Blends Growth Oil. And a little bit more about this oil. This oil is a fantastic scalp stimulator whose main ingredients are Haitian castor and chibi oil. They made it slightly thicker for all hair, but lightweight enough to not weigh your hair down. I just love using the oil when I do my deep conditioner. It just works best for me. Back to the serum mask. It future-proofs your hair to keep hair breakage at bay. Used as part of our expert Bond Strength regimen for damaged, dyed hair. I mean, what more can I say? You just have to try it for yourself. Like, that mask is something else. And even though it says recommend just leave it on for 1 minute, I left it on there a little longer. I let it sit on there while I did my shower routine, and I can honestly say, y'all, I really did love it. I purchased this product from Walmart for $9.98.
I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep, so deep. You should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh, yeah. But that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still.
Alright, so I have officially allowed the mask with the oil to sit in my hair. Y'all, look at it. Look at it. I mean, just look how my hair is just looking. The shine. It looks and it feels so soft. And most importantly, it smells so good. When I tell y'all, I was getting so many compliments off of this mask. People thought it was my perfume I was having on. No, honey, it was the hair mask. Like, that's how good it smelled. So I'm gonna rinse out the conditioner, and then you're gonna see where I grab. Well, rinse out the mask, and you're gonna see where I grab just a small pump of my conditioner and place it all over my hair and use it as my leave-in conditioner. And then we're gonna get into the styling products.
So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place. But you the one that came home late.
So the styling product of my choice is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I wanted to switch it up. I always normally do a cream or a gel, but I was like, I want to do a mousse. And one thing I'm learning, so I'm going in with my Aunt Jackie's spray bottle. My hair works better on soaked hair. So even though I did my old-fashioned t-shirt, wrapped it up, yada yada, I'm still gonna go back and re-drench my hair. It just works best, especially with mousses. So a little bit more about this mousse. This Frizz-Free Curl Mousse offers a lightweight formula that locks moisture in while enhancing natural curl and wave patterns. A natural derived blend of silk protein and neem oil provide volume and shine while helping reduce frizz. The best part, you can kiss goodbye any and all crunchy or sticky residue. Of course, the main ingredients, of course, within this, like they said, is silk protein and neem oil. And it had a really good smell. Just look at how my curls come out. And I went in a little bit more, and I just made sure that each strand got got the product evenly, especially my ends, because keep in mind your ends are your oldest parts of your hair, so you just want to make sure they really get some good TLC. So I'm gonna just play bits and pieces of you seeing me do my hair, and then I'm gonna fast forward to where all my hair is with the product in.
You don't want a king only.
Just wanted to come on here and show y'all what my hair looks like with the product being all in my hair. So I'm gonna just let it air dry. I don't really diffuse. I'm not a big fan of diffusers. I'm gonna just let my hair air dry, and then I'll come back and show you my end results. All right, y'all, I am back, and this is what my hair is looking like, and you don't even have to like scrunch or anything. I hope y'all really like this review. Please comment down below if you've used these products before. Again, make sure you follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.